To make the best business decisions, you need the best information. But gathering the right information from your Documentum platform can be expensive and time-consuming. That's why we developed eDRG. It's a powerful and affordable add-on to your Documentum platform, and the solution to create great insight into your enterprise. This is how it works. You can combine information and functionality from Documentum into your own dashboards and send real-time information to your or your employees' mobile devices. Schedule your own personal reports and store them in your repository, file system, or send them by email. And each report can be generated in any file format. eDRG is also EMC certified and integrates flawless into the Documentum architecture. And it's no problem to configure eDRG to support your exact business processes. These are the benefits of eDRG. It's a quick solution to unlock valuable information from your Documentum platform. It gives you clear insight into your business processes. It guarantees a great return on investment. And it's the best alternative to expensive customizations. Are you curious about the potential of your Documentum platform? Download the full 30-day trial on our website, euroscript.com/eDRG.